Fellow citizens of Africa, I greet you in the name of the Universal Negro Improvement Association and African Communities League of the World.
A lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life, forever.
Who are the Maroons? The Maroons are a combination of Africans, indigenous Indians, and runaway slaves. Okay. Right?
So, he gathered his people and marched onward they did. Left, right, on October 11, 1865, the day of the Morant Bay Rebellion.
In 1975, Sam Sharp Teachers College was founded and named in his honor in Granville, a suburb of Montego Bay. Also in his honor, Sam Sharp's image is used on the modern-day Jamaica $50 bill.
But things are bright. Bickle none off. River flood, rain a fall, but water scarce and dirty tough. Oh, yeah.